In the rapidly growing market for affordable modern classics, one compact German roadster is frequently overlooked by driving purists and collectors alike: the Mercedes-Benz SLK R170. Launched in the mid-1990s, this two-seater roadster combined Mercedes luxury with an innovative folding metal hardtop that changed convertible design forever. Yet, while the Mazda Miata and Porsche Boxster dominate collector conversations today, the humble first-generation SLK has remained a hidden bargain, quietly waiting for its moment in the spotlight. Before we explore why the original SLK R170 deserves a spot in your garage, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check out the special links in the description below to join our community and access exclusive automotive content. Now let us take a closer look at the history, mechanics, and underrated charm of this modern classic Mercedes Roadster. To appreciate the significance of the R170 SLK, we must return to its grand public unveiling at the 1996 Turin Motor Show. At the time, convertible owners were forced to choose between soft canvas tops that leaked in the winter or heavy detachable hardtops that required two people to lift. Mercedes solved this historical compromise by introducing the Vario-roof, an electro-hydraulic folding steel hardtop that transformed the car from a quiet coupe into an open roadster in 25 seconds. This engineering feat offered buyers the weather protection, security, and cabin quietness of a solid coupe while retaining the fun of open-air motoring. The interior featured high-quality materials, stylish retro dials, and supportive seats that made long-distance highway cruising effortless compared to lighter, noisier sports car competitors. Mercedes built the chassis using a modified platform from the C-Class sedan, prioritizing structural safety and comfortable daily usability over raw track performance. Famous television presenter Jeremy Clarkson reviewed the original SLK when it launched and was immediately stunned by its revolutionary design and handsome exterior looks. Clarkson famously called the folding metal roof an engineering masterpiece, praising Mercedes for bringing high-end luxury technology to a broader market. He remarked that the car looked fantastic on the road and offered unprecedented value compared to larger, far more expensive Mercedes SL models. However, Clarkson was far less enthusiastic about the driving dynamics of the early four-cylinder models and the lack of a proper manual transmission in the United Kingdom. He complained that the supercharged 2.3-liter engine felt uninspiring and that the steering lacked the sharp precision found in lighter sports cars like the Lotus Elise. Clarkson argued that while the SLK was a brilliant piece of design and a joyful cruiser, it was not initially a true driver sports car. Despite Clarkson's initial driving critiques, Mercedes continued to refine and upgrade the R170 platform throughout its production run until 2004. The introduction of the SLK 320 brought a smooth, naturally aspirated 3.2-liter V6 engine that delivered 98-style German muscle and a far richer exhaust note. This six-cylinder powertrain gave the car the effortless passing power and mechanical refinement that early critics felt was missing from the original lineup. For hardcore performance enthusiasts, Mercedes also produced the rare AMG version known as the SLK 32 AMG. Powered by a hand-built supercharged V6 producing 349 horsepower, this lightweight monster could sprint to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. It proved that the small chassis could handle serious performance, transforming the quiet cruiser into a legitimate muscle roadster. Today, smart collectors are beginning to notice the R170 because it offers an incredible mix of luxury, style, and mechanical durability for very little money. The inline-4 supercharged engines and naturally aspirated V6 units are known for being exceptionally robust when given regular oil changes. Parts are widely available and relatively cheap because the car shares many mechanical components with mass-production Mercedes sedans of the era. If you are shopping for a used R170 SLK, the main area requiring careful inspection is the Vario-roof hydraulic mechanism. Over time, the hydraulic roof cylinders can develop fluid leaks that require replacing seals or rebuilding the hydraulic pumps. Fortunately, these roof repairs are well documented in the owner community today, making them easy for independent mechanics or DIY owners to fix. Another minor issue to check on used examples is the interior trim coating, which can peel or scratch on high-touch surfaces like the center console. You should also inspect the wheel arches and lower door edges for rust, especially on early models driven in winter climates. Beyond these age-related items, a well-cared-for SLK will happily cover hundreds of thousands of miles without major mechanical failures. On the road, driving an R170 SLK is a relaxing and surprisingly enjoyable experience that differs greatly from harsh modern performance cars. The suspension absorbs road bumps smoothly, making it an ideal candidate for weekend road trips and long highway drives with the roof down. With the metal hardtop raised, the cabin becomes remarkably quiet, isolating you completely from harsh wind noise and heavy rain. It delivers a traditional German touring feel that allows you to enjoy open-top cruising without sacrificing daily comfort or interior heating in colder months. The heavy, solid feel of the doors and switchgear reminds you of an era when Mercedes built cars without cutting production costs. It feels like a genuine luxury product designed to last for decades rather than a temporary disposable lease car. As values for 90s sports cars continue to skyrocket across the globe, the R170 SLK remains one of the last true modern classic bargains. You can buy a clean, low-mileage V6 example for a fraction of the price of a comparable Porsche Boxster or BMW Z3. It offers timeless proportions, iconic 90s styling, and a historic folding roof design that holds a permanent place in automotive history. Jeremy Clarkson eventually came to appreciate the unique market space that the original SLK carved out during the late 90s. He recognized that while it was not built to chase lap times on a racetrack, it executed its mission as a stylish, comfortable roadster brilliantly. It proved that you did not need to compromise on winter usability or cabin comfort to enjoy open-air driving every weekend. Whether you choose a basic supercharged 4-cylinder for casual commuting or seek out a V6 model for extra power, the R170 offers unmatched value. It bridges the gap between classic analog simplicity and modern luxury amenities in a way few other sports cars can match. As time goes on, finding clean, unmolested examples will become increasingly difficult as collectors realize how special these cars truly are. If you want a stylish, reliable German roadster that turns heads without draining your bank account, the SLK R170 deserves your full attention. It is a landmark machine that introduced innovative roof technology to the automotive world while delivering effortless everyday usability. The market may have ignored it for years, but the modern classic status of the original SLK is finally undeniable. To make sure you never miss our deep automotive retrospectives, buyer guides, and classic car reviews, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check out the special links in the description below to support our channel and join our community. Until next time, enjoy your driving, appreciate modern classics, and we will see you on the open road.